Good morning children, welcome to class 1 computers. Children, this is our computer period. Children, in our previous video we were doing unit test paper, we were solving unit test paper 4 that is given at the back of your book. Children, this unit test paper 4 is from chapter 7 and 8. The questions are from chapter 7 and 8. So yesterday we had done some of the questions. Today we are going to revise the questions which we had done yesterday and then we will do the remaining ones. So children, कल हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर ए टिक द करेक्ट आंसर कर लिया था और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर बी भी कर लिया था और सी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कर लिया था. तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले वी विल रिवाइज व्हाट वी डिड यस्टरडे एंड देन विल डू द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस. So tick the correct answer. In this children, we have dash program is used to draw and color objects. As we know children, here we have studied about MS Paint program and we know that MS Paint program is a program in which we can draw and color. जिसमें हम drawing भी कर सकते हैं और फिर जो भी हमने drawing किया है उसे color भी कर सकते हैं. तो here we have 3 options. First is MS Paint children. Here in question number 1 we have 3 options. Option A is MS Paint. So we know the answer that MS Paint is a program in which we can draw and color. MS Paint ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हम ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं और कलर भी कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे इस बॉक्स के आगे हम सही का निशान लगाएंगे. देन remaining 2 questions children. Options children, notepad and calculator. These 2 are also programs about which we will be studying in our next class, that is class 2. So children, till now we have studied only about MS Paint and we know that MS Paint is a program using which we can draw and color. Then children, second one, in second question we have dash contain all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. So children, here we have 3 options. First one is canvas, then color box and tool box. So here canvas, there is no connection with MS Paint with canvas. हमें यहाँ पे कैनवस की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है क्योंकि MS Paint में हम कंप्यूटर पे कलरिंग करते हैं, ड्रॉ और कलर करते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव 2 टूल्स. रिमेनिंग 2 ऑप्शंस आर कलर बॉक्स, COLOR हम लिखते हैं स्पेलिंग कलर की कंप्यूटर में. कलर बॉक्स हमारा कलर बॉक्स है बी ऑप्शन एंड सी ऑप्शन में हमारे पास है टूल. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर ए था. नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, टूल बॉक्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, एज वी हैव स्टडीड while we were studying about MS Paint program children, that at the top of MS Paint window we have 2 boxes and these boxes are tool box and color box. As we know children, color box means it has colors which we use while drawing, which we use while painting. And tool box, tool का मतलब होता है वो सारे tools here children which are used for drawing. As you know children, it is a drawing program, drawing and coloring program. MS Paint drawing और coloring करने के लिए है ये program. तो यहाँ पे here we need to draw the pictures. हमें यहाँ पे pictures को draw करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और उस हिसाब से हमको कुछ tools की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. जैसे as I told you, when we draw on a canvas or we draw on a paper, we need pencil, eraser, then we need scale and a brush we need for coloring. तो ये सारे tools हैं which we use to draw and some are for coloring also. अब यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही जब हम MS Paint में करते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी हमें कुछ चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Using these things we draw, हम drawing करते हैं और कलर भी करते हैं. जैसे कि हमारे पास तो ये सारी चीज़ों को हम tools कहते हैं और ये सारे tools are found in टूल बॉक्स. ये सारे टूल्स कहाँ होते हैं? दीज आर फाउंड इन टूल बॉक्स. तो ऑल द टूल्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ड्रॉइंग एंड कलरिंग इज कॉल्ड टूल्स एंड दीज टूल्स आर फाउंड इन टूल बॉक्स. तो इसलिए वी विल पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ टूल बॉक्स. सो ऑप्शंस हियर क्वेश्चन इज dash contain all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. In question it is asked कि dash contains all the tools which we need to draw in Paint. Paint program में हमें draw करने के लिए जिन भी tools की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, all these tools are present in tool box. So you will write here tool box and tick in front of tool box. Then children, third one, a mouse is a dash device. A mouse is a dash device. As we know children, a mouse is a pointing device. So because whatever is displayed on the screen, whether any object or any written text, if you want to point something, you use the माउस पॉइंटर. हम माउस पॉइंटर को यूज करके पॉइंट करते हैं, इसीलिए हम माउस को पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस कहते हैं. और जो माउस पॉइंटर होता है, इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द माउस, मीन्स इट इज रिलेटेड टू द माउस. इसी वजह से उस पॉइंटर से माउस के थ्रू हम कोई भी चीज स्क्रीन का शो करते हैं या पॉइंट करते हैं. इसीलिए इट इज माउस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस. शोइंग समथिंग, pointing something, it points something or it shows something, so we call it as pointing device. तो थर्ड वाले में you will tick in front of pointing device. pointing device हमारा B ऑप्शन है. फर्स्ट वाला होल्डिंग है. होल्डिंग से हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है यहाँ पे, और ना ही हमें टाइपिंग से कोई मतलब है. pointing device, we call it as pointing device. So here children, MS Paint program is used to draw and color objects. Then here second one, toolbox contain all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. Then we have the mouse. A mouse is a dash device, it is a pointing device. So I hope children you have understood. Now coming to the second question, जो कल हमने second question पढ़ा था, that is question. Next question is B. We had done question number B also. अब question number B we have fill in the blanks. हमारे पास fill in the blanks है. Here we are going to fill the blanks given here. Now children, here some clues are also given. यहाँ पे हमें एक बॉक्स बना हुआ है और एक ये दूसरा बॉक्स है. This is second box. Now these are the two boxes. Now the question is, dash is present on the top of the MS Paint. Many times I have told you, in MS Paint at the top we have what we have children. In the tool, in the clue we have some words given. And what does it make? क्या बनाता है ये? This is nothing but tool box. tool box जो होता है हमारे MS Paint के सबसे ऊपर टॉप में पाया जाता है. So this MS Paint tool box in MS Paint program, tool box is found on top of the MS Paint program. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे TOOL, tool box. This is one. Now second one children, B का second one. Now, so MS Toolbox is in MS Paint, Toolbox is present at the top of the window. MS window के top पे हमें Toolbox मिलता है. Then dash finger is kept on left mouse button. So yesterday also we discussed, we use our two fingers for operating the mouse. हमारे पास two buttons है, as we have two buttons on the mouse children. One is left button and the other is right button. तो लेफ्ट माउस बटन और राइट माउस बटन, तो वी यूज आर टू फिंगर्स, दैट इज इंडेक्स फिंगर and the middle finger. Index finger is kept on the left mouse button and middle finger is kept on the or placed on the right mouse button. तो इस तरह से हम दोनों फिंगर को यूज करके यहाँ पे माउस को ऑपरेट करते हैं. बट हियर इट इज आस्क्ड फिंगर, which finger is used to, which finger is kept on left mouse button. कौन सा फिंगर लेफ्ट माउस बटन पे होता है? यहाँ पे clues are also given. This is I. Then we need only these many boxes. So I and D is given. Remaining words you are going to fill. So which finger it is children? I भी लिखा हुआ, I से index finger होता है. So you will write here I D EX, index finger. So index finger is kept on the left mouse button. Index finger is kept on the left mouse button. Toolbox. Toolbox is present at the top of the MS Paint program. Toolbox is present at the top of the MS Paint program. So this is all with question number 2 children. Now we have question number C. All these questions we had done yesterday. Now question number C we had done only one. So children, this is question number C. In question number C children, first one we had done yesterday. Let's revise. So first is children, here we have some letters given which are arranged in scrambled form. Now you are going to unscramble these letters and write the answer by reading the clues. clues पढ़ के जो यहाँ पे words दिए हुए हैं, जो इवन वे में लिखे हुए कोई मीनिंग नहीं बना रहे, इनको पढ़ करके हम मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनाएंगे बाय अरेंजिंग देम और अनस्क्रम्बलिंग देम. सो चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी हैव O, then we have S, then you have M, then you have U and E, and then after that we have children O, P, N, then we have I, E, T and R, then we have T and R. दो और है T and R. Now children, the clue is, here we have a clue, नीचे clue दिया हुआ है. We will read the clue. A small arrow, A-R-R-O-W, arrow on the screen, S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. A small arrow on the screen. So children, what is that small arrow on the screen? You must have seen a small arrow which look like this. इस तरह का कुछ होता है arrow जो हमें स्क्रीन पर दिखाई देता है. और you all know this arrow is controlled by the mouse. जब हम माउस को हिलाते हैं तो ये arrow भी मूव करता है, मीन्स कि हम इसे माउस से कंट्रोल करते हैं. So children, that is why. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, मैंने माउस भी बता दिया. That means it is a mouse pointer, a small arrow on the screen, a small arrow which we can see on the screen, and I told you it is controlled by the mouse also, and it is used to point any object on the screen. कोई भी object अगर आपके screen पर है उसे वो point करने के लिए use किया जाता है. So children, here it is mouse. You can see here M-O-U-S-E, mouse, P-O-I-N-T-E-R, mouse pointer. So here you will write the answer, mouse pointer. So first you will write M. अब इस तरह से जब हम टिक करते हैं तो we don't leave any of the letters. हमें कोई confusion भी नहीं होता, leave भी नहीं करते हैं, छूटता नहीं है कुछ भी. तो हम सबसे पहले जो लेटर नीचे लाएंगे उसको टिक करेंगे M, then O, second letter is O, next letter is U. Children, next letter is U, M-O-U, then you will write here U, S-S-E. So it is mouse, and the second letter is, you will write here P, then O, then N, P-O-I-N, sorry, P-O, you will write P-O, then you will write I-N, then T-E-R, pointer. So, mouse pointer. A small arrow on the screen is mouse pointer. So we have already studied about it. A small arrow which we can see on the screen and it is used to point any object on the screen is called mouse pointer. This pointer is controlled by the mouse. So children, this is question number A of question number C. C का A था ये, अब हम करेंगे B. Now we are going to start today's topic. That is question number 2. ये question number 2 है C का. Unscramble the following words using the clues. Here you are going to unscramble the following words which are given here and solve the answers. So children, second question is, here question is, we have another box in which letters are arranged. R, A, then we have G, then we have D, R-A-G-D, double G, then we have N and we have I. Now we are going to unscramble these words by reading the clues. Now the clue is, children, what is the clue? Clue is pressing, holding and moving mouse. Clue is pressing, holding and moving the mouse. So the word here we will write the clue: pressing, 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 holding, 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 and moving mouse, AND, and MOVING, moving mouse. So children, what do you understand from the clue? What do you understand from the clue, children? What do we press, hold and move? So children, we do this word is dragging, and by pressing, holding and moving the mouse button we perform a task called dragging. ड्रैग करना, किसी भी चीज को पहले किसी भी चीज पे जाके हम क्लिक करके प्रेस करते हैं, वहां बटन को प्रेस करते हैं, फिर उसके होल्ड करना मतलब उसी पोजीशन में बटन्स को प्रेस करके आगे. सो चिल्ड्रन, ड्रैगिंग मीन्स pressing the mouse button, holding it and moving it from one place to another is called dragging. माउस बटन को हम प्रेस करके होल्ड करके उसी पोजीशन में होल्ड करके मूव करते हैं, उसे हम ड्रैगिंग कहते हैं. सो द हियर यू हैव टू अरेंज द वर्ड इन दिस मैनर लाइक दिस. So D, we have D, first letter is given as D, then we have A, then we have G, then we have N, and we have to write some more letters here. Now children, so D is already written, you will write R, A is already written, so G is already written. Dragging, you will write another G, दूसरा वाला G आप लिखोगे, then dragging, JRAGG, N यहाँ पे होगा, this N should be here. Dragging, GING, dragging, ING, the word is dragging. सो ड्रैगिंग का मतलब होता है माउस बटन को प्रेस करके एक ही पोजीशन में होल्ड करके एंड मूव करना. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ड्रैगिंग. सो हियर प्रेसिंग, होल्डिंग एंड मूविंग इज कॉल्ड मूविंग माउस. हियर इट इज माउस, MOUSE, माउस. Pressing, holding and moving mouse is called dragging. So here the word is dragging. DRAGG, then ING, dragging. Here we write complete the word as dragging. So children, these are the this one is question number 3. Now see, now we will do question number D. Question number D is match the following. Children, here we have some pictures. We are going to match these words with the pictures given in front of them. The names are given. Name of the pictures are given. You will match the names with the picture. अब यहाँ पे जो नाम दिया है उसे हम पिक्चर के साथ मैच करेंगे. तो our today's third question, that is D ही. Question number D is match, MATCH, match the following, FOLLOWING, match the following. So children, here we have first one is double click. First word is double, DOUBLE, double click, double click. Second is children, two is used to draw, to DRAW, draw, LINE, line, used to draw line. Then we have third option as used to delete a part of the object, a PART, part of the object, OBJECT, object. Now children, in the second column we have, in column B we have pictures of these names. Now first one is, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास सबसे पहले एक पेंसिल का पिक्चर है. We have a picture of a पेंसिल, हमारे पास पेंसिल का पिक्चर है, दिस इज अ पेंसिल. देन वी हैव इरेजर, E, this one is eraser. So somewhat कुछ ऐसा है, ये इरेजर का है, ठीक है. दिस इज इरेजर. एंड देन वी हैव चिल्ड्रन, एंड देन वी हैव माउस. एक माउस का फिगर हमारे पास है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास माउस है. अब माउस में हमारे पास यहाँ पे here we have 2 clicks, here we have 2 click, another click. So click and click, it is click and click, 2 times click. So children, what do you understand by these? So here what do we understand by these children? Here we are going. So let us understand each one children. अब यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमारे पास है डबल क्लिक. डबल क्लिक का मतलब क्या होता है? Pressing left button 2 times. We have studied about different types of click. Here we have 3 types of click. Children, if you click left button once, it is called single click. If you click left button twice, it is called double click. Twice means 2 times. It is called double click. Double का मतलब 2 बार होता है. और अगर हम right button को click करते हैं तो हम उसे right click कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे we have double click. So children, here you can see it is double click. So you will match this with this one. This is double click. ये डबल क्लिक है, तो इसलिए हम इसे डबल क्लिक के साथ मैच करेंगे. Here we have double click, so you will match this with double click. माउस है, this is माउस, और माउस में हमने 2 बार क्लिक किया हुआ है. 2 बार क्लिक का मतलब होता है डबल क्लिक, और यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक का मतलब होता है लेफ्ट बटन को 2 बार क्लिक करना. दिस इज कॉल्ड डबल क्लिक. यहाँ पे हमने लेफ्ट बटन को 2 times क्लिक किया है. दिस मीन्स डबल क्लिक. सो यू विल मैच दिस पिक्चर विथ द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. Now used to draw lines. So children, in paint program we have drawn many things, and to draw a line we use pencil tool. यहाँ पे drawing line हमें वेवी लाइन या स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है तो हम पेंसिल टूल का यूज करते हैं. सो यू विल मैच दिस पिक्चर विथ सेकेंड ऑप्शन, दैट इज पेंसिल टूल. हम इसको पेंसिल टूल से मैच करेंगे बिकॉज वी यूज पेंसिल टूल टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन. देन यूज्ड टू डिलीट a part of the object. Suppose you are drawing something and you have made some mistake, you use eraser to draw a part of it. किसी ड्राइंग का कोई पार्ट आपने या कोई कुछ भी गलत कर दिया है या रॉन्ग कर दिया है तो यू नीड टू इरेज इट, और फॉर इरेजिंग यू यूज eraser. So this is eraser. So you will match this with eraser. So children, here we have two tools and one mouse click. पहला टूल है पेंसिल टूल. पेंसिल टूल इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग लाइन, and then we use eraser for deleting a part of a drawing which becomes if there is any error of you want to correct it, if you want to change anything, so you want to delete it, a part of a drawing, for that you use eraser. So you have clicked third one with eraser, and used to draw line के लिए हम पेंसिल का यूज करते हैं. एंड नाउ डबल क्लिक का मतलब होता है प्रेसिंग लेफ्ट बटन twice. So this is question number D, children, and with this we have completed question paper unit test 4 जो कि chapter 7 और 8 से था. Our next question paper is, children, model test paper. We have some model test papers also. In this also we have questions related to our chapters which are coming in the evaluation 3. So let us discuss model test paper 2. So our next question is from model test paper 2. हम मिटाते हैं. हमारा आज का अगला पेपर है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर 2. इसमें भी हमारे पास वैसे ही क्वेश्चंस है विच मे कम इन द एग्जाम्स. इसी टाइप से क्वेश्चन विल कम इन द एग्जाम्स. सो लेट अस प्रैक्टिस दीज क्वेश्चंस. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर, मॉडल टेस्ट PEST, टेस्ट पेपर, PAPER, पेपर, and the chapters are, children, chapters are 6 to 8. Now these are from the chapters 6 to 8. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास chapters है 6, 7, 8, यानी 6 to 8. Now children, question number A. Question number A में we have TICK, pick. Pick the correct. CORRECT. Correct answer. Here also we are going to take the correct answer. First question is, children, dash is used for drawing and painting onto a computer. Dash is used to. Our next question is question number 1. A का 1 है. Dash is used for for drawing, DRAWING, drawing and painting, PAINTING, painting. Dash is used for drawing and painting on a computer, onto a computer. So children, can you tell me what is used for drawing and painting onto a computer? So here we have 3 answers, options, that is MOUSE, mouse. Then we have keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard. And then third option is CPU. So children, as we know, dash is used for drawing and painting onto a computer. So children, many times we have discussed about if you want to draw something on a computer, you need a mouse. Without a mouse, you cannot draw anything on a computer. So here we have mouse, keyboard and CPU. So children, mouse is used for drawing and coloring onto the computer. Keyboard is used for writing text. So this is not the answer. And CPU is used for the processing of the data which we provide or giving us the result. So the answer is mouse. हमें यहाँ पे पूछा है what is used for drawing and painting. So we need a mouse to draw and paint. That is why answer is mouse. We will put a tick in front of mouse and write here MOUSE, mouse. So children, without a mouse we cannot draw or paint on a computer. So mouse is used for drawing and painting on computer. Now our second question is children. अब हम second question करेंगे. This was first. Second question is, the small arrow of the mouse is known as. Children, A में का 2 है. अब यहाँ पे the small arrow, ARROW, arrow of the mouse, of the MOUSE, mouse, is known as KNOWN, known as. So children, just now we studied in the above question in another form that a small arrow of the mouse is known as pointer. Here we have 3 options. First is shape. It is wrong, so we will not put a tick. Then picture is also wrong. Here the answer is option C, that is pointer. So a small arrow used to point any object, or the small arrow of the mouse is known as pointer. So you will put a tick in front of pointer and write here POINTER, pointer. So just now in previous question also we had a similar type of question, and we discussed that a small pointer which is displayed on the screen, or small arrow which is displayed on the screen and used for pointing any object on the screen is called mouse pointer. So here it is controlled by mouse, and that is why it is called, it is used to point something and controlled by mouse, that is why it is called mouse pointer. So children, this is question number 2. The small arrow of the mouse is known as pointer. Shape, picture is a wrong answer. Correct answer is pointer. So here you will write pointer and put a tick in front of pointer. Now our next question is question number 3 children. अब question number 3 में we have, all these questions are from the chapters. Now dash contains all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. This also you know. Third one, children, dash contains all the tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools, that contains all the tools for D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing in MS Paint, MS Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint. Now, so here we have three options, that is drawing area, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing area, A-R-E-A, area. B is color box, B is color, B-O-X, box. And C is toolbox, C में है toolbox. So children, can you tell me what is the answer? A, B and C. What is the answer, children? Dash contains all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. So children, here we have three options. First option is drawing area. What do you mean by drawing area, children? Drawing area is the area where you can draw. In MS Paint, you have an area which is used for drawing, and that is why this area is called drawing area. And then color box is a box which contain all the colors used for coloring the drawing we draw in paint. Then toolbox. So children, toolbox has all the tools which we need to draw. Here question is dash contains all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. So the answer will be, children, toolbox, as it contains all the tools for drawing. जो toolbox होता है उसमें सारे tools होते हैं drawing के, इसलिए हम इसे toolbox कहेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे T-O-O-L, tool, B-O-X, box. Toolbox is a box just like a pencil box, same as a pencil box. As pencil contains all the tools for writing or drawing, even toolbox also contains all the tools for drawing. Toolbox में भी सारे tools होते हैं जिसको use करके हम drawing कर सकते हैं. Then children, our next question is, so you have put a tick in question number option C, toolbox. Toolbox contains all the tools for drawing in MS Paint. Now last one, children. This is your today's last question. Question number A का last question हमारा है 4. Now in 4 we have, children, dash tool, T-O-O-L, tool is used to draw, to D-R-A-W, draw circles. Dash tool is used to draw circles. Now we have three options. A में हमारे पास है open, then we have another option B we have oval, B में oval है, and then we have fill. Fill का मतलब होता है fill color. Now children, first one is open. Open is to open any file which is already made. जो पहले की बनी हुई फाइल है उसको ओपन करने के लिए हम open का ऑप्शन का यूज करते हैं. And oval, children. So children, oval tool is used for drawing circle and oval shape. So our question is, tool is used to draw circle. So oval is the correct answer. You will put a tick in front of oval and write here oval. Now children, last one is fill. Fill is used for filling the color. So this is not the correct answer. A and B, C is not the correct answer. B is correct answer, as we use oval shape to draw circle as well as oval, but here it is asked circle. So circle is the correct answer, children. With this we have come to the end of this video, children. Read and revise all the questions which we have discussed today. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you, children.